Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Alex, and I am going to do another Halloween look for you. The door. Oh, that bloody doorbell. I've wanted to do this look for a while, but thought the time is right now because the lovely the lovely people at Mark Hill Hair sent me a bunch of things, and this is the attachment for the Pick and Mix range, which you can literally switch it up. This is possibly one of my favourite attachments because it's like a straightener, but a curler, but it's like really good. And also their limited edition bits this holiday is Dalmatian print. So I think you kind of realised who I'm going to transform myself into today. Cruella de VILLE. Blah, 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 blah. It'll be definitely my take on it, so sorry if it's not textbook. I got this and then I was like, ooh, I'm gonna dye a wig. So I dyed a wig and I'm gonna wear it later on for this look. I hope you're all good. I'm gonna come back with my full base on and my eyebrows like most of my videos. So see you in a sec. We're back, we are back. That base took me about half an hour, which is a first forever and ever in my life ever. I think I just concentrated. So if that's something you find hard to do, because same. As far as the eyes go, Cruella de VILLE in the Disney cartoon original has a moment where she's got a green look going, and I want to do that. But what I'm going to do first is, I am going to do like a green, but I want to do a dark, smoky green, tealy green, if that's possible. So I'm using the black P.Louise base. So I'm going to take a little pencil brush. This is from Peaches and Cream, duh, and it is the PC33. I'm just going to sketch as if I was doing like a crease shape, like the shape I would do if I was cutting my crease. Yep, yep, yep. And I just want to drag it out, obviously, to there. I do not know what I'm doing, so I'm taking an even bigger pencil brush just to go in with a bit more product, and I'm just sort of blending it, yeah, but blending it down because I'm a bit scared to go too far up. I'm kind of going to cover my entire lid with this. Great, now I look like a bad black swan. Fluffy brush, I think. Okay, so now I'm taking this brush, which is a Peaches and Cream PC20, and just very lightly buffing the top of where I place the product. Oh, it blends out really nice. I was going to say well nice then. Well nice. You look well nice. Hey, where is Kate Nash? Where is she? Where is she? Maybe I need a fluffier brush. This will look less like a black swan look, I swear. When you've achieved that look and you sort of look psychotic, you know you're doing okay. Take Carnival, the Carnival XL Pro Palette by bPerfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie MUA, and a little Morphe 506, and I want to go into Nuke and just swirl it around. Oh cool, can you see that? That's kind of what I wanted. Squiggling, swirling in a circular motion, but wiggling it at the same time, you know? Squiggle. This looks like a disaster. Genuinely looks like a disaster. So, but I'm gonna try and come back from it. So I'm going with the Hype, which is a brighter green. No, smaller brush. So taking a PC47, and I'm just going over the top of that to really get that green going. I feel like I've done this a little bit too big, you know? What I think I'm gonna do is just go in with a P.Louise base. I'm gonna go in with 0.5 and just carve underneath my brows and bring that down a little bit. Let's get a sponge and just blend this out a little bit. That's better. Not looking too crazy. Going back in with Nuke And just going further down here just to darken it, darken the lid up. What I want to do now is, I love Juvia's Place, and I got this palette genuinely years ago. And I've used quite a few of the colours over the years. And this colour, Aja, have never ever ever found myself like reaching for it until now. It's not a shimmer, like a satin finish, like teal, grey, greeny colour. I'm just going to stick that on the lid as a base before I put my pressed pigment down. See that? Oh, that's pretty. I'm just going to get that on the bottom lash line, just to there. Okay, and then I'm just going to smoke out this bottom section here with Nuke, using hardly any, but I just want to bring it out a little bit. And there was a moment where I was like, what the hell am I doing to my face? But you know, we move. Okay, let's just get rid of the bake. I'm now going to take this pigment called Starlight from Peaches and Cream and my Peaches and Cream pigment drops. I'm going to put some pigment drops just in the lid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to take that on the back of my hand and just sort of do that. Is this going to work? And I'm just going to press that. No, that works. That works really well. These pigment drops are insane. You can mix them with so many different things. Shimmer eyeshadows, loose pigments, eyeliner to make this sort of like gel eyeliner, to make it more sort of fluid. Always a winner. Excuse me. Do you know what? I'll probably look out and it's like a 2000 and like a 98 Polo with an engine that makes a noise like that. Unacceptable. And I'll tell you what I am going to do is just get that pigment without the pigment drops in it and just stick it under my brow bone. Yep, let's stick a lash on. I'm going to go in with the Tatti lashes and Mitchell number 2s. And of course my Huda Beauty Sticky Tack Lash Glue winner. Blink, 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 blink. I've actually cut these a little bit because I've been wearing them full size and they're just really uncomfortable. Hey, since I watched The Real Housewives of Sydney and finished that within like 2 days, I'm now on Beverly Hills, nearly at the end of season 2. If you know, then you know. The things those women allow themselves to do in front of a camera. In front of a camera. Season 1, Camille was not my favourite. Season 2, I really do like Camille. Got a big old soft spot for you, girl. Poor Taylor. Hope she's okay now, but I'm gonna keep watching and find out. Anyway, lashes are on. Let's bronze. Before I do that, I'm just going to spray my face just to sort of refresh. And I'm using the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. Why can I never say Airbrush Flawless? Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I've heard so many people say amazing things about it, so I thought I'd give it a go. And now I'm taking the shade 1 in the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, just under the eyes, sides of the nose, forehead and chin. And my bronzer, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in shade 3, using the Peaches and Cream PC04. I'm gonna take a PC23 and just contour my nose ever so slightly. Drag makeup has seriously taught me a lot of things, and one of those things is that my nose is definitely crooked, and I think I've said that before in other videos, but it is, it's crooked, it's definitely crooked, nothing I can do about it. If I was a better makeup artist, I would be able to straighten it with makeup, but do you know what, this is true life, this is real life. Okay, what now? Blush. I'm using the NARS Orgasm X blush. It's basically Orgasm, but way more intense, as like a coral, as the sort of Orgasm, just normal Orgasm, is like a peachy coral kind of, but this is big time. I'm going to go in with a PC03. I'm going right round to the temples and onto the tops of the cheeks. And now let's highlight. I'm going to spray my face again. I can't wait to try this. This is the new Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter. So it's like a pinky shade, pinky goldy. Oh, so nice. Get my two little horns. And then use my middle finger just to go bloop on the end of the nose and bloop down the bridge. Should we do some bottom lashes? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think so. These are the Tatti Lashes Mitchell Underlash. Yep. Do I like this? No, I'm gonna take off those inner ones. No, I'm taking those ones off too. Just 2 on either side. We tried it, we didn't love it. We got rid of it. Last thing we want to do on the face is the lips. Obviously, I'm using the Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored, the red. It's the best red liquid lip I've ever used ever. And I say that all the time because I don't think I've used any other lipstick other than the Fenty Stunner Lip Paints on my channel. I'm going to take a tiny pencil brush, which is the Morphe M146, and go in with Reckless from the Carnival palette and just go on the outsides of my lips. Cool. Okay, that is the face portion done. I'm going to be back with a look on and a wig and everything, and I will show you the final look in 1 second. Bye! This isn't even a top, it's body paint. But you probably already knew that. This is the final look. I used a white Dermacolour for the white, and then the black P.Louise base for the spots. And then I set it all with with like a translucent powder from Kryolan, and then I just went over the spots with some black eyeshadow, and that is how I got this. First of all, black hair dye is a nightmare. If you're doing the full head, perfect, fine, lovely, gorgeous. If you're not and you want to just do half, it's very annoying. It was a slight nightmare, and I don't think all the black hair dye is washed out. This is why the hair's a little stiff. If Emma Stone looks remotely like this in the upcoming Cruella de VILLE film, I will eat my hat. And also, I got these flicks using this. How flipping cute is this? Ugh, I'm gonna take so many cute photos in a minute. If you like the video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below because that's super fun. If you really want to know when I upload a new video, click the bell notification button and get notified every time I upload, which would be great. And also, if you wanted to follow me on Instagram, you can, which is @LunaBundy. That's @LunaBundy, LUNABUNDY. I did another Halloween tutorial before Halloween actually happened, so that's fun, isn't it? I hope you're good. Hope you enjoy the video. Bish bash bosh. Love ya.